you want to create a QR code for Google Maps, you can easily create it from QRcode Composer Pro plugin. Okay, first of all, you'll find the Google Maps longitude and latitude. Okay, we'll write our company name, and here the Google Map page. If you look to the link URL, you'll see, and this is the first option, and this is the second, and the second, this is the longitude and this is the latitude. Paste the longitude here, and this is 23.77. this is the latitude field, and the query is the query name. Okay, we'll paste here and copy the shortcode and save the page, save the setting. Okay, now we'll create a page QR code for Google Map and paste the shortcode for map. Paste shortcode and published the page output. If you download, you can see the QR code for map. If you want to create another QR code for map or more, then you can use the attribute of this shortcode. Just copy the shortcode attribute from the shortcode docs, paste here, QR maps composer. This is the query field. Here write the query. We'll input the Taj Mahal map location. Just find, this is the field you need to copy and paste to longitude, and the second 78, this is the latitude, paste here, and this is the query Taj Mahal, copy and paste the query field, attribute field, custom image, paste the URL and save changes. Click to the view page, you'll see the final output for Taj Mahal map QR code with the central logo Taj Mahal. If you are Elementor user, you can create the same QR code with Elementor. Just go to the Elementor editor and create a section and find out QRC Composer. Drag and drop the composer element and find out Google Map from QRC Composer element, and same, copy the longitude and latitude from the maps field and paste the latitude and longitude field. Now input the query field, change the QR element and add a cell logo or image, Taj Mahal image, and paste and upload it. Enable download button, and now change the QR color and update the changes. Okay, now click to the preview and you'll see the QR code map for Taj Mahal, and here's the final output for QR code for Taj Mahal. Okay, that's it. You can create QR code with Elementor also. Thank you.